Hello everybody, Luke here from Beard Tech and Breathing Designs, where tech and design collide with extra beard. Today we're having a look at my setup. It's a new setup, a gaming and video editing PC setup, and here it is. So I found this on the Facebook Marketplace for only $500, and you have a AMD processor in here, an AMD. There's a Radeon R7 HD graphics card in here, as well as 1 TB hard drive. Got your TP-Link wireless card in there. It's got HDMI out. I've never had that before on a PC. Super amount of USB ports. The fan on top here isn't working, but I'm going to sort that out to cool down this PC a bit more. But the one that I think draws air out and shoots it out is working, so hasn't overheated yet. And yeah, there's a really good CPU in there. It's a 3.7 gigahertz CPU in there. So yeah, it's running really fast. 16 gig of RAM inside. And have a look at this on the front. So we have a Blu-ray player, as well as a DVD burner, card reader, a couple of extra slots for some more upgrades if I need them, but I probably won't. So micro USB, I can even slot in my action camera right in there. Reset button, power button. I'm just transferring my stuff over to this computer at the moment. And I have this TIAC LED TV that I picked up on the same day, so this is yesterday. It's a 23-inch LED TV. Didn't come with a stand, I'm not sure why, so right now it's actually just leaning on the window, so there's no stand. So that's HDMI at 60 Hertz, so it's looking crisp. I've just installed Windows 7, so this came with Windows 7 Professional, and I tried Windows 10, but I installed Windows 10 S, and then it wouldn't let me install any other apps because of Windows S. So yeah, this is it. It's my MSI AMD 4-core computer, 3.7 gigahertz, extremely good Radeon R7 graphics card. Just about to install a couple of things to test the card out, and I'm going to edit videos on this from now on using this setup. So it even came with this keyboard and a gaming mouse down here as well, which lights up, which is quite good, but seemed to have a few issues when I was using it, so I've just gone with the standard, it's actually an op-shop mouse. So yeah, that's my new setup at the moment. So I'm actually running through a TV, HDMI, I'm going to do some video editing now and let you guys know how that goes with the graphics card that I have. So stay tuned for more. Like, share and subscribe if you like this. If you want to know anything else, I will let you know once the setup is complete a little bit more. As for my laptop, it just keeps resetting all the time with that uncorrectable error. The blue screen of death, WHEA uncorrectable error, and it just keeps happening no matter what drivers I install or what I do. I have no idea what's going on there, but anywho, it's this is a lot better. It'll be a lot faster and yeah, won't restart on me. Thank you very much, guys. Have fantastic fun. See you in the next video. Bye bye.